Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how to fix Xampp error. My Apache is connected but MySql is not connecting. Here error, MySql shutdown unexpectedly. Now I'll fix it. Then I have to go config my.ini. Then we change to part of the port. First is password below, that will make it 3307, and then we have to change default character setup below port, that is 3307, make it same number 7 and 7. Then we'll save that, Ctrl S, and then close, then start, and here is worked. Then I go to the localhost server and phpMyAdmin, and here it is on another error in localhost server, and then now we'll fix it. We have to go this PC, then go to localhost C, and then go to Xampp file, and then go to phpMyAdmin, and then we have to click the right button to select config.inc.php, then click the right button and edit with Notepad++. Then we change the port number here. It is the below of Bing to the localhost IPv4 address and TCP. We'll change it 6 to 7. Then we save, Ctrl S, then close it. Then again we have to open localhost server, then go to phpMyAdmin, and then it worked. Thank you for watching. Please give this video like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.